All right, so it's dark, but welcome to Chicago Blizzard, the aftermath. So I'm just getting home right now, and whereas they've done some great plowing, they really have. There's still situations like this, which is so interesting. Roads that used to be wide enough for two cars to come on the side streets, they've done, maybe one side plowing. So piles like this are all over the city. Look at that, crazy tuck. Giant piles. So, I'm just going to keep these coming, keep you posted. Some of these almost look like ice sculptures. Ooh, I'm in the middle of the road. I got to dash. Okay, dashing.